Alright, this is my friend Logan here, and we made a airsoft flamethrower. Got a bottle full of BBs.
Gatorade bottle full of BBs with duct tape around it.
Yeah, you got your gun. It's got a little attachment made out of red pins. Yeah, air compressor, really high pressured. So yeah, okay, hook that up.
Just taking your Gatorade bottle, you screw it on to the attachment.
And you got your little
adapter, take your airsoft, and then you fire. Come on.
Too many BBs.
Too many BBs. You see him getting caught up by the entrance. Eventually.